Okay. Now put a heading that what less current, what less current, okay. What less current, what less current, okay. What WATTLES, what less current.
Wait, WHAT what?
What less current, okay. Patrish,
Adriga.
okay, whatever. Chalo. Watless current na. So what is a watless current? First understand it. Watless current, if I try to show you. So here, whenever there is a, already the conductor means the AC circuit containing what is it here? Either inductor or capacitance. So one will be leading, one will be lagging, right? For example, you see now in the inductor, if capacitor is there, current will be leading, voltage will be lagging. Yes or no? Am I correct? With what angle it will be there here? With the pi by 2 angle. Am I correct? The same way, for example, if I show you in a AC circuit containing here, this is a capacitance only, or else if it is a inductor only, na, what happens here? Voltage will be leading and current will be lagging. Yes or no? Yes or no? Re? With how much angle it will be lagging here? Pi by 2. When if it is anti-clock rotation of this vectors. Yes or no? We call rotatory vector or phasor diagram, right? So now watless current is a. Now what happens in this situation? Na? In this situation, power is completely zero. What is it here? Power is zero. Why power is zero? Na? You see here. What is the power formula? You know, if you write EV IV into cos, what is it here? Pi. Cos pi value is how much here? 90 degrees. So no, phase angle is how much here? 90. So EV and IV into cos how much here? 90 degrees. Na? Yeah. The power absorbed, okay, you can say power absorbed or power consumed is completely zero. Yes or no? So that's what the watless current. So I have written the certain points. So when supply of an inductor or capacitor is connected in a circuit, the power consumption is zero. Am I correct here? That's what I spoke, right? Then the current is watless current as consumes no energy in the circuit also, because power is zero, power consumption for the capacitance also zero, for the inductance also zero. Yes or no? So that's what is right. So when simply an inductor or capacitor is connected in a circuit, which circuit here? AC circuit. Yes or no? So now next, what is it here? When average power consumed in AC circuit is equal to zero, then also we can say it as a ideal current or a watless current. Please note down these 2 points and draw these figures also. No problem. You can do it. What it now? Watless current means what is it, buddy? The power consumption in the circuit is completely zero. The last bench should not speak until I ask you to speak. I know that is a Mirzapur gang. They'll tell. After winning everything, they'll tell. Mirzapur House.
White House.
New watch.
No, sir. Old eyes. Not using. It's
Go to
good.
Malaysia, Indonesia. Finish, buddy.
Yeah. Sure.
So this is a circuit when simply inductor or capacitor. Like capacitor is then the phasor diagram will be like that. Inductor is then the phasor diagram is like this. Yes or no? So power consumption in the both the cases is zero, like this. Capacitor only we have studied already. Inductor only. Mitran only.
Korean.
Finish.
Wait for a wait.
This name also you need to remember. This is also called as ideal current. Third also you want to write now, right? Is it done?
Following ready, sir. Recording. The delete, sir. Delete, sir. Sir, delete. Sir, very upset.
Is it completed? Completed. Yeah. Whatever I teach, I'll just forward to the YouTube.
Sir, this
I don't care about the money and all. I'll show you today, okay? I'll show you.
Mitran Live channel.
I'll show you.
Korean video.
I'll show you, right? Okay, did you finish it today?
The YouTube door ಬೇರೆ ಆಮಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು.
Finish, buddy. So we have seen that for now only capacitance only inductance if it is there na, the power consumption is completely what is that here? 0. But possibility, like I am telling you, we have seen a LCR circuit. Yes or no? Shall I move on? Are you all writing or just watching me?
Copy children.
Anjana, can you close the window? But this window alone close it.
Should put screen, sir. As Nandu's
Ah,
watching.
Lilliputians are coming. Lilliputians.
Nandu Kuttis. Nandu Kuttis.
Okay, shall we? This Sai Prasad finish. 3 line writing, 3 days we will write. Write faster.
Finished it.
Oh, Raja came. Raja came.
Without Rani.
Without Rani. Chalo, whatever. Shall we, buddy? Enough. Right or not, I don't care. So there is a no power consumption, hence this is referred as wattless current. You already wrote it, but first listen. This we already written. This is not correct. This is not correct. We know already. Listen, guys here. So, for example, note we will try to write. Wattless current can be defined in LCR circuit. Yes, of course it is can be defined in LCR also. For example, you see there is a resistance, inductor and the capacitor like this, AC supply. Yes or no? Just imagine yourself. What happens here if in the case this inductor, capacitor, resistance, we know if it is a dominative. Who is dominative here? Inductance, it is dominative. Na? XL is greater than XC if it is there like that. Or is potential drop across L will be greater than potential drop across VC. Na? The circuit is, what is it here? Circuit behaves as an inductive circuit. Yes or no? We have already seen this one is a inductive circuit, right? So power consumption for this one we written as a EV, IV into cos pi also we have written, fine. But now you see inside this how current will vary, yes or no? For example, if I try to draw a phasor diagram, this is a EV, this is a I. Now I is actually rotating, that vector is rotating, na? This is a IV vector is rotating, yes or no? Something like that, yes or no? Or else if I try to show you, we have already seen that some phasor diagram we already seen. So for example, this is your virtual current. Virtual current, if I want to divide, I will divide like this, because now here this is E virtual, means E virtual is like this, okay, E virtual is like that. Now it is rotating within which angle here? Pi angle. You know this is a E inductance and this is a E capacitance, yes or no? And in the same direction we have E resistance also we have. E resistance means what is it here? The voltage, basically I am talking here. If you are confused now, I will try to draw. EMF supplied here is what is it here? Virtual only, nobody. E virtual. So E virtual is, here it is a EMF drop across a inductance will be leading. EMF drop across a conductance will be lagging, we know already. And the virtual current and the EMF which is drop across a resistance, both will be in the same phase. Am I correct? Now it is making angle pi. Now if I try to divide, what I am trying to divide? Now current I am trying to divide. What is the current here? So this is the current here and this direction current I want to divide. Can I divide like that? What is it indicates here? This is a IV cos pi. Can I write like that? This is IV cos pi. What about this one here? IV sin pi. Can I write like that? IV sin pi. In this one, can you able to see now virtual amount of power is actually now along this one. What is it here? Voltage will be there, current also there. I can write a power formula is what is it here? EV cos pi. Am I correct? Now in this situation, is there any virtual EMF? Is there any virtual EMF? No. Here what is it here? This segment is completely what is it here? 0. Yes or no? So power is what is it here? Power is equal to EV IV into sin pi condition la. What is it? IV value is here. IV value is completely becoming 0. This value is completely becoming what is it here? 0. Because the rotating vector is rotating here only. Here though there is no EMF, right? Yes or no? So what happens here? The power consumption is completely becomes 0. This is also called as a wattless current. What is this one here? Wattless current. Got it? Please note down this point. Yes or no? So this component of current will not give you any power. It will not consume any power. Here itself you can write this component consumes power is equals to 0. How much it will consume, buddy? Here power is 0. Means this component does not consume any power. Give me water. Yes or no? You understood? Finished? Clear? Any difficulty now? No, right? Shall I move on? Man, Nandu is professional, man. Nowadays. Anjana, you understood? Are you okay today? Sheila? Very good. It's okay. Super. Srinath is great, man. Very good, very good. Finish, buddy. Shall I move on? You stop it. That's it. We have people who subscribing our channel. Some I'll show you. Okay. Shall I move on? I'll show you. I'll show you. Don't worry.
Good Instagram, very cute viewers. Username. Ian cute.
Subscribe.
Watch videos.
It's good only. The content is good only.
It is only studies you tell sir. You'll expect something else.
There we should. Okay. Next heading you can keep that is a conversion of energy in a LC circuit. Conversion of energy in a LC circuit. LC circuit. Shall I? Next, write down energy conversion in a LC circuit. LC circuit. Okay. Okay, buddy. Now listen here. Listen. You know already LC circuit. Whenever I connect LC circuit, it will oscillate. So like this, LC circuit. This is L and this is C circuit. Yes or no? And you can actually supply instantaneous EMF, which is E naught into sine omega t. Right? Or else, now we will try to see energy conversion. Yes or no? Few points I would like to mention here. Inductor means inductor stores the energy. What is it will store here? Electrical energy. It will convert electrical energy to what is that, buddy? To what is it here? Magnetic energy. Electrical energy to what is it here? Magnetic energy. Capacitor will store electrical energy. Yes or no? So energy stored here in inductor, we know that energy stored in inductor is half into Li square. Yes or no? Energy stored in a capacitor is what is it here? Energy stored in capacitor is half CV square. Yes or no? Or else we can write Q square divided by 2C. All those things you can write. But one formula I am writing here. That is a inductor will store the magnetic energy half into Li square, and capacitor will store the energy in what is it here? Electrical energy to electrical energy. Means mostly electrical energy it will store. Right? Any difficulty? No.
Expressions.
Yeah, no, this is a expression.
Use for problem.
Hmm. Huh? What is it?
Pending is as
Finished. Shall we move on? Can you give that bigger book? Pradeep's book. Book correct. Guys, now shall I? Okay. Now, are you all writing or what? Simply watching it? Write it faster. Electrical energy. Basically, it stores as electrical energy. Can you three please stop romancing? Next, are you sure you're writing? Write it faster. Don't sit here. Doing something. No problem. I'll wait 1 hour. No issue. 1-2 hours. I'll wait. I'll show you. Okay. Now, listen. Right. How to convert a energy? Okay. First of all, what I'm doing is logic. You should understand. I'm actually storing one of the capacitor. Okay. So this capacitor you are connected with the this capacitor is connected with one of the cell here like this, one battery. Okay. So what happens here? It will automatically charge. So it will be like this. The current will flow through this one, and or else here, if I apply the battery, it will not store. No, the direct current it will not store. You're just nearby my hand, right? Am I correct? If I say something again, it will be a problem. I'm telling you. Okay, guys. Chalo. Now what happens here? You're supplying a AC supply here. So here automatically what happens here? After some time it will actually store the charge. Okay. So if it is stores the charge. Okay. Or else we are actually using one of the stored capacitor also. So one is actually showing that a positive charge on the one plate and the negative charge on the other plate. Right. Now you are connecting with what is it here? You are connecting with one of the inductor like this. You are connecting one of the inductor. Okay. So after some time, whenever you connect the inductor, now this is converts into what is it here? The charge whatever inside this one is electrical energy. It converts into what is it here? Magnetic energy. So few like it will start flowing the charge to this one, and this inductor will try to become what is it here? It will try to give a magnetic energy here. Means magnetic energy in the sense, if I try to show you here a little bit like this, I'll try to show. So it is becoming a magnet, okay, like this, right? Magnetic. Then after some time, what happens here? So after some times here, I am not taking that. The total charge is not at all zero. Means it's not completely become a magnetic energy. But what happened here? After some time, this entire circuit will be like this. The charge completely converted into what is it here? Magnetic energy. Means the charge on this one is completely what is it here? Zero. Now in this situation, what happens here? It becomes a stronger magnet here like this. Are you getting my point here? After some time, what happens here? This situation, this magnetic energy again converts into what is it here? Electrical energy. Means this is again I am trying to draw here. So what is it here? Again, so earlier it was what is it? The current might be flowing in this manner or not? So no, current is flowing in this manner earlier condition. Now this condition what happens here? Now automatically this magnetic energy will convert into electrical energy again. So here with the field lines I can show means less energy is there. Now current is flowing in which manner here? In this manner. So what happens here? Here it becomes a positive charge. Here it becomes what is that here? A negative charge. Then after some time what happens here? They will be like this capacitor completely becomes a positive Q and this is a negative Q and this particular inductor will be left without any energy. Yes or no? Now it is fully filled. Earlier here what is that? The capacitor lost the charge given to magnetic. Again magnetic is converting what is that here? Electrical and this continuously it will happen. You see earlier the case the current was actually anti-clockwise. Now the current will be what is that here? Which is that? Anti-clockwise one like this only. Here this will lose the current and it will give a positive here. Earlier what is it? There is no charge, now completely becomes charge 0. Now voltage will go in this one. Who is leading, who is lagging here? Voltage will be leading and current will be lagging. So here what happens here in this plate, particularly if I talk about one plate here, which plate here? This particular plate, this one. So this plate what happens here? This plate will automatically stores charge as a positive charge. Again what happens here? A negative charge. So now current what happens here? Again it will start flowing. Now in this one current is there. In this circuit there is no current. In this circuit there is no current. Current is also 0. Yes or no? But here again current is developed. Small current. Again continuously.
Same induced.
This is due to the oscillation. This happens, the conversion of current is happens due to what is that? LC oscillation.
But what they are doing this
Second circuit is this one.
not down.
This one.
How current is induced?
This magnetic energy whatever is there, it is converting into what is that here? Electrical.
So the electrical energy changes to magnetic.
Magnetic. Earlier electrical to magnetic, magnetic to
So automatically converts.
automatically it will convert.
Not for some time period waiting.
It will be waiting but it will convert. So due to that we will get a LC oscillation. We discussed already what is LC oscillation. Yes or no? So here what is this one here? Magnetic energy and electrical energy. You should understand. Electrical energy here is full. Yes or no? Electrical energy is what is it here? In the capacitor is what is it here? Full. So it is half into what is it here? CV square I can write it. Here what is it here? Magnetic energy inside this is completely 0. In this situation 0. In this situation what is it here? Magnetic energy is not at all 0. It is somewhat there inside this. What is that magnetic energy formula? E magnetic energy is equal to half into Li square I can write it. Here also some electrical energy there which is EC is equal to what is that here? Half into CV square. Can I write it like that? Yes or no? Right? In third situation you can clearly see inside this one there is no current here. Now what happened in this situation? This case the here completely capacitor current is completely 0. Yes or no? And magnetic current is what is that here? Same magnetic current half into Li square. Next situation what is there here? Here yes or no? Here in this situation EC value is what is that here? Not equal to 0. Here also EM magnetic energy is also not equal to 0. But last case magnetic energy is completely 0. But again here what is that here? EC value is how much here? Half into CV square. Complete energy is there. Are you
So
getting?
for this circuit, EM value would be half into Li square.
Yeah.
For the previous one.
Maximum current.
So for this one, sir,
This one?
not left.
This one? This is completely 0. It lost all the magnetic energy.
Half Li square is equal to 0.
Zero.
What will be?
Zero. Zero. Got it? Huh? That is how you convert the energy. So inductor and capacitor, they will exchange the energies. So during their exchange the energy, what happens here? The oscillation will occur. Clear? So this finishes your chapter. Okay, thank you. See you then. Channel.
Stop recording. Stop recording.
This one. Okay. You can go through it. There are some where whatever I teach here, I am trying to do. Okay. Go. Thank you.
Sir, my voice will be
Will be there.